Testing. Yo, what's up, everybody? Today I traded Bed Bath and Beyond. Kind of crazy. Never thought I would be short selling Bed Bath and Beyond. Seems kind of up, but the price action tells the story, and that's what you gotta follow. So basically what happened was this thing basically went from 15 to 32 after hours yesterday on November 2nd on some news. I don't even remember what news. And then today, pre-market, it was still holding up pretty high. So first thing is, I noticed this trend line above all these lower highs. So it's kind of looking like a bull flag setting up for a breakout. But from what I've seen before is sometimes these things look like a bull flag, but they end up being a fake breakout. So for starters, I was looking at this 2780 level, then 30, then 32, and then I saw that it found some support near 24.25 or 24.70 to 25 basically. So I was looking for a retest to that 27, 30, 32 and then fail. But as you can see, it never got there. It never popped to 27.80. So I told myself, okay, I need to scale into this a little bit more carefully because it is technically a real company, Bed Bath and Beyond. So you gotta be careful, high institutional ownership and whatnot. But just the fact that it was up 100% after hours is kind of it's too much. So you could expect for people to basically sell and take profit, or people feeling the FOMO and trying to get into it before the breakout and then basically getting dumped on because they think it's going to continue higher. So this is what happened at the open. So basically, two things. Before the market opened, it had reclaimed 26, and then it was just using that as support. And then once this broke, it broke during pre-market, and then out the open, they just basically started dumping. And it looked kind of heavy, and I was thinking, okay, if it breaks this 2470, I think it's probably going to continue to go down. So I started scaling in there before it broke, after it broke, and as it continued to break, added more on this pop, and I just kept adding because my target was somewhere around the 1 hour and the 2 hour trend and the 4 hour. So from, I think I remember the 4-hour was around $19.50, and then the 2-hour was around 21.22. So that was my target zone area. So basically I just kept adding here, and then it got to 23, broke 23, started kind of consolidating a little bit more here, and then you see here it kind of got all the way down to a little under 21. It retested 22.90s, so basically failed to reclaim 23. And I was like, alright, this thing's probably going to continue going down to that 20, maybe 19s. So here, after this failed retest, I was going to add more on this bounce. And I could have done better on these entries, you know, add on these previous highs, or just like around 22.50. And then basically, as this one failed to retest this previous high, I just added the rest there, and then as soon as it dropped near 21, I was going to start exiting all the way down to 19. But as you can see here, you know, I got 20, 21, 25, 21, 2070, and then it kind of just started consolidating here. So I was thinking, okay, this thing should have broke 2050, but it was kind of holding. So I just figured, you know what, it's almost 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so it's better if I just take this profit now before it reclaims back over 21. My last cover here was at 21.25, but most of it under 21, and it just kind of consolidated under this 21.30s and ended up hitting. So see, it ended up hitting 1942, which was my final target. 1950 was my final target, but I wasn't trying to be here waiting all day, so I basically just left it at this. That's why that's where I just left my trade. Ended up hitting 1890s at the lows. Had a little bounce after hours. But bigger picture, you know, basically it was gonna sell off. I figured it was gonna have a sell-off today because of that after hours rip. 100% move after hours. It just seems like too much. So someone's gonna have to take some profits. But yeah, that's pretty much it. BBBBY. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Hit me up in my Discord. The link is in my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.